Bodywork can seem intimidating, and it all sounds like a lot of hard work, but with Raptor's Body Filler, that tough work just got a whole lot easier. So here's what you'll need. Raptor Body Filler, 80, 180, and 240 grit sandpaper, some water-based degreaser, some rags, or something to mix the filler up on that's not going to soak in all the resins. Make sure you are geared up with the proper PPE and safety equipment and working in a well-ventilated area. Today we're going to fix a dent on this car door. Before we start the repair, you're going to want to clean the area with some water-based degreaser. This is going to remove any dirt, grime, or any other oils and contaminants that can cause issues or even rust later on down the track. Once dry, sand the area with P180 grit sandpaper. This is going to roughen up the surface and give the filler the bite it needs for optimal adhesion. After sanding, wipe down the area with degreaser using 2 rags, one to wipe the degreaser on and one to wipe it off so you don't have any contaminants left over. Let's mix up some Raptor Body Filler. Inside the lid you'll find an applicator and a sachet of hardener. For every 100 parts of filler, you'll need to add 2 parts of hardener at 20 degrees Celsius. To work that out easily, it's roughly a small pea-sized amount of hardener to a golf ball-sized blob of filler. If you want to know more about mixing filler, scan the QR code on the lid of the filler. There's plenty of resources on our website on how to do it correctly. Mix it through until the colour is uniform, ensuring you apply enough pressure not to get any pinholes in the mix and you can't see the red anymore. Work fairly quickly. At around 20 degrees Celsius, you'll get 4 to 6 minutes of working time before it starts to harden. Apply a smooth, even layer, pressing firmly to push the filler into the scratches so it keys into the surface, avoiding trapping air bubbles and not overworking it. You can build it up to about 3 to 5 millimeters thick, but don't go any thicker than that. Once it's cured, you're ready for sanding. Once it's cured, you can start shaping it with P80 to 120 grit sandpaper. You'll feel it cutting nicely, and that's how you know it's cured right. Once you're happy with the shape, hit it with P180 to 240 grit sandpaper for a smoother surface, ready for primer. You want to blend that edge in seamlessly to the rest of the panel so there's no visible edge. You know when you run your hand over it and you can't feel the dent anymore that the job's done. And last but not least, you want to degrease the surface again before you're ready for a primer and a top coat. Before you do any of this, make sure you check out the website at raptorcoatings.com.au, read up on the technical data sheets, and check out the other resources on how to mix filler correctly.